See, Pranish ji, since 2 years, Bharatiya Janata Party has been jumping up and down and saying liquor scam, liquor scam. It's been 2 years, they have not been able to prove anything. And the court made very, very strong remarks. The court said that ED and CBI have behaved in a biased manner. द्वेषपूर्ण तरीके से ईडी और सीबीआई ने बिहेव किया है कि बिना किसी एविडेंस के आप पहले कुछ लोगों को पकड़िए, उनको मारिए, पीटिए, उनसे कुछ बयान लिखवाइए और उनको अप्रूवर बनाइए, उनको बोलिए कि जब तक आप आम आदमी पार्टी के खिलाफ बयान नहीं देते हम आपको जमानत नहीं देंगे। उसके बाद उनको आप जमानत दे देते हैं। I mean, all this is not going to stand in the court of law once the trial starts because they don't have any evidence. That is the reason why they delayed the whole process for so long, so that the trial, the process becomes a punishment.
No, Ms. Gupta, I understand that. I am completely with you on that point, that the process is indeed a punishment. But I want to ask you one question, ma'am. What do you think of your alliance partner, Congress, that filed the complaint? Short answer, and then I get a response from the BJP.
See, as far as Delhi is concerned, Pranish ji, both Congress and BJP know that Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal have delivered so well on their promises, whether it's electricity, it's water, it's schools, it's healthcare, it's bus travel. All of these reforms which have taken place in the last 10 years, उनको पता है कि बहुत टाइम तक दिल्ली में उनका कोई वजूद नहीं है, कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है। इसकी वजह से आप कुछ भी इल्जाम लगाइए, कुछ भी एलिगेशन लगाइए,
बीजेपी बौखलाई हुई है। शहजाद, आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन। You are so spooked by the kind of development work that has been done by the Aam Aadmi Party that you are resorting to vendetta, misuse of agencies. That's a grave charge.
First of all, it seems less like a googly and more like a yorker for Aam Aadmi Party to face, because if this is all true, then Congress has recently in June and July, Abhishek Dutt, Devendra Yadav has said that Aam Aadmi Party is the most... See, she is interrupting. See who interrupts?
She's not. One person speaks at a time.
Exactly.
Yeah, I am moderating.
But see who breaks the rule. So he said this statement, and even after that they were going in Haryana and they were begging that give us few seats, give us few seats. Because of the seat arrangement, they could not form the alliance. Why did they go to Congress if the Congress party is nothing but the B team of BJP? Point number one. Point number two, Lalu also got bail. That means he's clean chit. Engineer Rashid also got bail. Amritpal Singh also must have got some relief somewhere here and there. So is that meaning that all the charges are against them are disproven? 2 years you're talking about. Lalu got convicted after 34 years. Today they're in alliance with Lalu, who's been convicted 5 times. By the way, Bangaru Lakshman, the moment there was an allegation on him, stepped down. And he was indeed convicted. But today the convicted Lalu is with you in alliance. But having said that, now they say that ED CBI ka khel hai. ED CBI ka khel hai. Then in Chhattisgarh elections, during Bhupesh Bagel's tenure, you were saying that the same ED should go and arrest Mr. Bhupesh Bagel. And by the way, the Supreme Court has made no comments on the ED CBI. It is one judge out of 2 who has made comments, but the court has held that the arrest is legal. The final judgment of the Supreme Court as far as this bail is concerned, which is not a description on the merits of the case, has said that the arrest is legal. So therefore don't quote one judge and say that this is the Supreme Court. Okay. This itself is dishonesty. And last point is that you please tell me, Indira, Reena ji, forget everything else. You have not answered even a single question. I just ask you one question. Lalu is 5 times convicted. Forget Ajit Pawar, forget everyone else. They are not convicted. Is Lalu corrupt?
See, Shahzad Bhai, what I say or don't say doesn't matter. Honorable Prime Minister of India said most corrupt party, chakki piecing. And less than 48 hours, Ajit Pawar was made the Deputy CM. So I am not even saying anything. It's the Honorable Prime Minister of this country who said that it's the most corrupt party. So was he lying when he said this? Or was he lying when he made Sharad Pawar join the party and make him the Deputy CM? आप लोग बहुत ज्यादा राष्ट्रवाद करते हैं। जब आपने पीडीपी के साथ मिलकर सरकार बनाई थी, तो पीडीपी राष्ट्रवादी थी क्या नहीं थी, उस बात का भी आप जवाब दें। ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह अभी तक क्यों आपकी पार्टी में है? क्या ब्रजभूषण शरण सिंह बहुत महिलाओं के लिए उन्होंने काम किया है, महिला सम्मान के लिए बहुत काम किया है? ऐसा हो तो उसका भी आप जवाब दे दें। तो ये सारे जवाब तो शहजाद भाई एक ना एक दिन आपको देने पड़ेंगे।
5 seconds and then we move on to debate number 2.
कांग्रेस वालों ने चोरी कर रखी है, मुलायम सिंह यादव ने चोरी कर रखी है, मायावती ने चोरी कर रखी है, सबने चोरी कर रखी है। और अगर ये पार्टियां
चलिए साहब, आप तो बदल गए, आपके चेले नहीं बदले।
Okay, I thank